Hello everyone. In this video, you'll able to learn complete course of Amazon. That includes how to start working on Amazon. What products should be your target to sell? How to find suppliers on Amazon and much more. But before you start learning from this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Firstly, all you need is to know the background of Amazon. Amazon is a massive multinational technology company headquartered in Seattle, Washington, USA. It was founded by Jeff Bezos in 1994 as an online bookstore and has since grown into one of the world's largest online retailers, with a wide range of products and services. Amazon's core business is its e-commerce platform, which enables customers to purchase products online and have them delivered to their doorstep. In addition to its retail operations, Amazon has also developed a number of hardware devices, including the Amazon Echo smart speaker, the Kindle e-reader, and the Fire TV streaming device. The company's hardware division is known as Amazon Devices and Services. Amazon has also expanded into the digital media industry with its Amazon Prime video streaming service, which offers a range of movies, TV shows, and original programming. The company has also invested in the music streaming industry with its Amazon Music service. One of Amazon's most significant business units is Amazon Web Services, AWS, which provides cloud computing services to businesses and individuals. AWS offers a range of services, including storage, computing, and database management, and is a leader in the cloud computing industry. Amazon has grown to become one of the most valuable companies in the world, with a market capitalization of over $1 trillion. The company has a global presence, with operations in North America, South America, Europe, Asia, and Australia. Amazon is also one of the largest employers in the world, with over 1 million employees globally. In recent years, Amazon has faced criticism from some quarters for its impact on small businesses, its treatment of workers, and its impact on the environment. However, the company remains a dominant force in the technology industry and continues to expand into new markets and industries. Now let's begin with the first step, that is, how to sell products on Amazon. FBA, FBM, place, and dropshipping are all different ways that sellers can use to sell their products on Amazon. 1. FBA, fulfillment by Amazon. With FBA, sellers send their products to Amazon's warehouses, and Amazon takes care of the entire fulfillment process, including picking, packing, shipping, and customer service. In other words, Amazon acts as a third-party logistics provider, 3PL, for the seller. This means that the seller doesn't have to worry about storing and shipping their products themselves, which can be a significant advantage. However, FBA comes with fees, including storage fees and fulfillment fees. 1. FBM, fulfillment by merchant. With FBM, the seller takes care of the entire fulfillment process themselves, including storing the products, picking, packing, shipping, and customer service. This means that the seller has more control over the fulfillment process, but also more responsibility. FBM doesn't come with the same fees as FBA, but the seller needs to be able to handle the logistics themselves. 1. Place, private label. Place is a business model in which the seller creates their own brand of products and sells them under that brand on Amazon. This means that the seller has more control over the product and can often command higher margins than if they were selling someone else's products. However, creating a successful place business can be challenging and requires investment in product development, branding, and marketing. 1. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a fulfillment method in which the seller doesn't hold any inventory themselves but instead relies on a third-party supplier to fulfill orders on their behalf. When an order is placed, the seller forwards the order details to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. Dropshipping can be a low-cost way to start an e-commerce business, but it can also come with challenges, such as longer shipping times and lower profit margins. Dropshipping is generally not allowed on Amazon, and sellers who use this method risk having their accounts suspended or terminated. Let's discuss another step. That is, what are the product hunting basics and tools? Product hunting refers to the process of finding and evaluating potential products that can be sold on Amazon. As one of the largest e-commerce platforms in the world, Amazon provides a vast opportunity for entrepreneurs and sellers to create a profitable business by offering products that meet the needs of its customers. Here are some basic steps to get started with product hunting on Amazon. 1. Identify a product niche or category that you are interested in, and research the market to identify potential opportunities. 2. Use Amazon's search function to look for products that are similar to what you are considering selling. Take note of their sales rank, reviews, and pricing information. 1. Use tools such as Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to analyze the sales history and market trends of specific products, as well as to identify potential competitors. 1. Use Amazon's product research tools such as Amazon Bestsellers, Amazon Movers and Shakers, and Amazon New Releases to identify popular products and monitor emerging trends. 1. Use keyword research tools such as Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or RFs to identify relevant keywords and optimize your product listings. 1. Once you have identified potential products, evaluate their potential profitability by considering factors such as manufacturing costs, shipping fees, and Amazon fees. Amazon also provides several tools and resources to help sellers succeed, including 1. Amazon Seller Central, a dashboard that provides access to inventory management, sales reports, and customer feedback. 1. Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, a service that allows sellers to store their products in Amazon's warehouses and have them picked, packed, and shipped directly to customers. 1. Amazon Advertising, a suite of advertising tools that allow sellers to promote their products on Amazon, including sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display. 1. Amazon Brand Registry, a program that allows sellers to protect their brand and intellectual property, and access additional tools and resources to help grow their business. By utilizing these tools and following best practices for product hunting on Amazon, sellers can increase their chances of success and build a profitable business. Once you complete this step, move towards how to create Amazon Seller Account. To create an Amazon Seller Account, follow these steps. Step 1. Go to the Amazon Seller Central homepage. https://sellercentral.amazon.com/. Step 2. Click on the Register Now button to start the registration process. Step 3. Enter your email address and choose a password for your account. Step 4. Fill in your business name, address, and phone number. Step 5. Select the marketplaces where you want to sell your products. You can choose from Amazon.com, Amazon.ca, Amazon.co.uk, and many others. Step 6. Choose your seller plan. Amazon offers 2 plans, individual and professional. The individual plan is suitable for those who plan to sell less than 40 items per month, while the professional plan is suitable for those who plan to sell more than 40 items per month. Step 7. Provide your payment information. You'll need to provide a credit card number and billing address for verification purposes. Step 8. Confirm your identity by entering a verification code sent to your phone or email. Step 9. Finally, agree to the terms and conditions and click on the Finish button to complete your registration. Once you've completed these steps, your Amazon Seller Account will be created, and you can start selling your products on Amazon. Okay, so till now you've created an Amazon account. Well, clap for yourself. And now let's move to how to find suppliers on Amazon. Finding suppliers on Amazon can be done by following these steps. Step 1. Let's start by clicking on the Amazon website. Step 2. Select the category that matches the type of product you are looking to source. Step 3. Use the search bar to enter a relevant keyword for your product. Step 4. Filter your search results by selecting Suppliers under the Seller category on the left-hand side of the screen. Step 5. Review the list of suppliers that appear and read the reviews and ratings for each one. Step 6. Contact the suppliers that seem most promising to ask about their pricing, minimum order quantity, shipping times, and any other relevant information. Step 7. Choose a supplier that meets your needs and negotiate a mutually beneficial agreement. Step 8. Once you have made an agreement, place your order and wait for your products to be delivered. Remember to always do your due diligence when selecting a supplier, and consider factors such as price, quality, reliability, and customer service. Great! You have crossed many steps. Now just few steps are left and you'll be good to go. Now, it's important to understand that how to do product listing on Amazon. Listing a product on Amazon can be a great way to increase visibility and sales for your business. Here are the steps to follow for product listing on Amazon. Sign up for an Amazon seller account. You will need to create a seller account on Amazon to start listing products. Go to the Amazon Seller Central website and follow the prompts to create your account. Choose your selling plan. Amazon offers 2 selling plans: the individual plan and the professional plan. The individual plan is best for sellers who plan to sell less than 40 items per month, while the professional plan is for sellers who plan to sell more than 40 items per month. Search for the product you want to list. Use the Amazon search bar to find the product you want to sell. Check if it's already being sold on Amazon by other sellers. If it is, you can list your product as a new offering. Click the Sell on Amazon button. Once you've found the product you want to list, click the Sell on Amazon button on the product page. Enter your product details. Amazon will ask you to enter details about your product, such as the title, brand, manufacturer, description, images, and price. Be sure to provide as much detail as possible to make your listing stand out. Set your shipping options. Amazon offers several shipping options, including Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, which allows Amazon to handle your shipping and customer service. You can also choose to handle your own shipping. Set your pricing. Amazon allows you to set your own price for your product. Be sure to research the competition and set a competitive price that will attract buyers. Submit your listing. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click the Submit button to list your product on Amazon. Manage your listing. Once your product is listed on Amazon, you can manage it through your seller account. Keep track of your inventory, respond to customer inquiries, and adjust your pricing as needed. By following these steps, you can successfully list your product on Amazon and start selling to millions of customers around the world. Okay, so you should know that. How to find clients on Amazon. Finding clients on Amazon can be a great way to increase sales and grow your business. Here are a few strategies you can use to find clients on Amazon. Optimize your product listings. Make sure your product listings are optimized for search by using relevant keywords and providing detailed descriptions. This will help your products show up higher in search results, making them more visible to potential clients. Use Amazon advertising. Amazon offers several advertising options, including sponsored products and sponsored brands. These ads can help you reach more clients and drive sales for your products. Participate in Amazon's Early Reviewer program. This program encourages customers who have purchased a new product to share their experiences by writing a review. This can help build trust with potential clients and increase sales. Use Amazon's Follow feature. Amazon's Follow feature allows customers to follow your brand and receive updates on new products or promotions. Encourage your customers to follow your brand to stay in touch and keep them engaged. Join Amazon's brand registry. If you're a brand owner, you can join Amazon's brand registry to help protect your intellectual property and access tools to help you grow your business. This can also help increase visibility for your brand on Amazon. Engage with customers through Amazon's messaging system. Use Amazon's messaging system to communicate with your customers and answer any questions they may have about your products. This can help build relationships with customers and increase sales. By using these strategies, you can find clients on Amazon and grow your business on the platform. Remember to always prioritize customer service and provide high-quality products to keep your clients happy and coming back for more. Whoa! This is the final step and you will be able to earn by working on Amazon. That is, how to send inventory to Amazon warehouse. Amazon's Fulfillment by Amazon (FBA) service allows sellers to store their inventory in Amazon's warehouses and have Amazon handle the shipping and customer service for their orders. Here are the steps to send inventory to Amazon's warehouse. Create a shipment in Seller Central. Log in to your Amazon Seller Central account and select the Inventory tab. Then select Manage FBA Inventory and click Send Replenish Inventory to create a new shipment. Choose your products. Select the products you want to send to Amazon's warehouse and specify the quantity for each product. Prepare your shipment. Amazon provides detailed instructions on how to prepare your shipment, including how to label your products and package them correctly. Follow these instructions carefully to avoid any delays or issues with your shipment. Create shipping labels. Amazon provides shipping labels for your shipment, which you can print directly from Seller Central. Choose a shipping method. You can choose to ship your inventory to Amazon's warehouse using your own carrier or using Amazon's discounted carrier rates. Send your shipment. Once your shipment is ready, send it to Amazon's designated receiving center using the shipping labels provided. Track your shipment. You can track your shipment's progress through Seller Central to make sure it arrives at Amazon's warehouse on time. Once your shipment arrives at Amazon's warehouse, Amazon will handle the rest, including storing your inventory, fulfilling orders, and handling customer service. By using Amazon's FBA service, you can focus on growing your business while Amazon takes care of the logistics. Good luck. Thank you for watching.